Okay, amanya Geoffrey Tulyamusima, lawyer wa Sipapa Charles. Olunaku lwaleero tuzze mu kooti wano ku Chief Magistrate Court ey'e Makindye okulaba nga tugenda maaso n'omusango gwaffe. Guno gwe musanga abajjukira obulungi Omujapani gwe yamuwaabira nti bagenda ne babreakinga mu office ye ne babba ssente ne babba n'ebintu ebimu naddala kamera n'ebintu eby'enjawulo. Of course abajjukira era obulungi guno musango baali bagumala nga baguclosinga, baguzuukusa buzuukusa ku lw'ensonga kuliko judgment nga n'omu bambi asikaali gwe basibye n'agenda n'asavinga ekibonerezo. Kale kitulese mu kooti olunaku lwaleero okulaba nga tugenda mu maaso okubuuza ebibuuzo eby'enjawulo oyo mu China. Olwo document gye baali batwa nga yali mu Lujapani ne bagikyusa ne bagiteeka mu Luzungu okuva e Makerere nga gye tubali tulina omubuuzaako. Era ye yatutegeeza oba yategeeza kooti ku mulundi guli wewawonerera kizeemu nti edocument y'emu gy'abadde oba kwe yagulira ebintu byonna. Wemubuuze ebibuuzo ebingi nga weewaawo ebintu ebyo ebisinga si yabigula. Ekyokubiri bye yagula tebiriiko receipts. Ekyokusatu bye baagula tebiri mu Uganda, babigula Japan. Ne tumubuuza weewaawo nze n'omulamuzi alina document yonna elaga that ebyo properties zonna ziri mu Uganda nga tazirina. Weewaawo kooti netuwa omwagaanya omulala ogw'okulaba nga tubuuza omuntu omulala ebibuuzo gwe tusuubira olunaku olwo gwe bajja okuleeta, either wa poliisi oba abantu abamu be yali akola nabo. Olwo kooti neyajaninga paka mu September nga 7.
Tulabyeko nga client wagamba nti Omujapani bamukwatirewo instant.
Of course akyogedde naye ng'omanyi omuntu ali mu kkomera ye kwe kubadde okusaba kwe. Kyemmanyira agenda ku ampadde instructions okulaba nga nkola buli kimu ekyetaagisa. Lwaki akyogedde? Ku lw'ensonga Omujapani byonna byaleese bya bulimba, naddala ffe abadde bagoberera omusango. Ebibuuzo bye tebikwatagana. Okugeza tumubuuza yeno document erimu byonna byonna bye wateeka mu statement ku poliisi n'agamba ye, oluvannyuma ne yeekyusa. Then we tugenze okubimuyisaamu mu toto ya sente zirimu document ziri 34 naye zagamba Sipapa ze yabba oba n'ebintu eby'enjawulo bye babba ziri million 169. Kati mulimu vuluga, mulimu obutali bituufu oba mulimu obulimba bungi. Yensonga lwaki Sipapa yogedde statement eyo n'asaba kooti. Wo kooti nemulungamya ekyokukola kyemmanyi kye tujja okukola.
Musango ki gwe ogugambiddwako omuzungu gw'alinamu ezita high court gwabaddayo gwe mubadde mumubuuzaako?
Omusango kozi yabadde atutegeeza nti kasita yamala oba kooti kasita yagenda ku poliisi n'awawaabira, then ye n'awawaabira baali batadde security ewaka we aba SGA. Era omusango guli mu High Court Commercial Division. Omulamuzi wamubuuziza empapula zirwa nga tazirina. Wemubuuza oba yali agenze ku kooti n'akola statement, ku poliisi n'akola statement ng'ekonfaminga ekyo nga talina kye yali akoze.
Atogere ku bulamu bwa client wo tugenda kweza mu mwaka mulamba nga ali mu kkomera e Luzira. Ali mu mbeera ki?
Of course ng'omuntu yenna ali mu kkomera tali bulungi. However alina essuubi, kyekisinga obukulu. Alina essuubi that lugenda kuca lumu guno omusango tujja guvaako wo ne guli ogwokubiri eguli ku High Court ya Kampala ne gwe tuguveeko. Essuubi alina ddene.
Omwana gwe baali bazadde, maama ali munda, omwana ye ali mu mbeera ki?
Omwana ali ne bajjajjaabe, amawulire amalungi agaliwo nti yawona wadde ng'akyali ku ddagala oba akyalina okugenda for review naye ng'azannya n'okusoma yatandise osoma mu kibiina ekisookerwako.
Wali ekirala?
Ekya High Court amazima gali nti tebana bagufikisinga. Kooti enkulu ey'e Kampala yeyina obuyinza okulaba nga efikisinga omusango ogwo oba egozi listinga. Then oluvannyuma tugende bayite abajulizi baabwe.
Okutwalizaamu omusango gukyatambula ebbanga eriwerako.
Guli wakozulira emisango ebiri. Ogw'e Kampala so far investigation zaggwa. Tulinze bulinzi kooti. Ogwa wano tutambudde. Kitegeeza ababuzayo abajulizi nga 2-3 okulaba nga tumaliriza session yaabwe oba nga tumaliriza party yaabwe tukwate ku yaffe defense.
Mulamuzi tabawadde ebbanga tuufu ly'alina kudda.
Atuwadde that alina kumonga 7 September okulaba nga tugenda maaso n'omusango guno.
Obayo mukulu Omujapani nga ebibuuzo abitamu atamu.
Simanyi bamujje. Simanyi bamujje.
I said it is not for your purpose. Let them go back. Hello. I want you all of you up there. Hey.
Anange kamera ekukutte.
Does he want to cross-examine or things now?
No, not cross-examine. That is closed. It just has a different prayer. It's a different prayer.
Can you request this honorable court to make an order to complainant to be arrested?
And it's not my role to arrest. So if you have any evidence, go and complain to the police and the institute a case against him. I get cases from police. So if you know of a case against him, then you file, write a complaint, it is investigated, and you will be arrested. That is the procedure. Yeah, so let police do its work.
I have lodged my complaint to be filed so
Lodge a complaint, let the investigations commence. The same way you're produced, he will be produced if there is evidence. Start the examination. Yes,
Can you tell court exactly where you said there were 3 people staying in that office? Who were sleeping in that office, is that correct?
There were 2 people.
2 people. Where were they sleeping exactly?
They were sleeping in the first.
You don't never asked about that.
And so remember from the previous time.
Oh, it is from previous time.
Yes.
Most of that. Most of that.
Yes, tell what exactly they were sleeping.
2 people were sleeping at the office, yes.
Yes, tell what where exactly they were sleeping.
The rooms are on the first floor. And a bit far from the entrance.
Can you get that?
There was first floor, then the other one as well.
Yes, both of them were sleeping in the first floor.
In one room or in separate rooms? Make us understand.
Separate rooms.
But on the first floor.
Yes.
And you said that you suspected your employees to have been the one who actually stole your things. You also told that the accused is not one of the employees. Why is the accused then in court if he is not one of the employees?
I was informed by police that the police has found the same.
Some of the goods in those delivery documents. Were some of the goods delivered? And
The
some
ones which are supposed to be paid cash on delivery, were they delivered?
All of them are.
My last question that I need to clarify on. You said you carried those goods you saw from Japan and you brought them to Uganda. Did you carry all the goods or you left some in Japan?
I don't know.
Just need clarity. Do you have proof that you actually shipped these goods from Japan to Uganda? Any document to prove that?
No.
Any proof that you paid taxes?
No, I don't have it.
That's all. That's your
What if I'm paying for another page?
How many more do you see? Yes, still many. Are they more than three? What should we have more than three? You're going to come in on 4th September. Is it available? 4th September? No, criminal is Monday and Thursday. Seven. Time 7 September. Please make someone's question. Must be broad question. Monday and Tuesday.
That's the idea. I repeat, on this, the order of 2 items, there is no rent. There's one rent board and one filter. There is no rent.
Thank you, sir. That's okay, that's okay. That's okay. Go to the second page. Also, Canon single focus lens.
So what's the question on the first?
My question was, I needed him to confirm these two shipments. And he has confirmed the same.
Your different shipments?
Yeah, there are different shipments.
Is that so?
No, sorry, I wasn't following.
No, I'm asking, were these shipments different?
Which one? Which one?
The first one and the second one.
Which one is the first one? Which one is the first one?
That's the first one. And the second one is behind.
So do you confirm that?
I wish you come closer and we look at the same group. I'm failing to understand.
Okay, it's okay. So we do like this. Confirm that item number 1. Confirm that you bought item number 1. The entire item number 1. Are you the one who bought it or purchased it?
Yes.
You are the one. Perfect. Turn to the second page. That item number 1, it has 21,068 yen. Is that right? The second page.
21,068.
And you used a credit card. It was a credit card or Visa. Is that right? That was your Visa, right?
Yes.
21,000?
It's 21,068. Yeah.
Using our visa card.
Using a Visa card. Let's go to item number 2. Item number 2 shows a PC bomber. Is that right?
Yes.
Was this part of the stolen property in your statement?
Yes.
PC bomber, right?
Yes.
Was it also part of the stolen items in the charge sheet?
To say correctly, the PC bomber is the name of the shop and it is not the item which was stolen.
Just repeat that.
PC bomber is the name of the shop, but it is not item's name.
Okay. PC bomber was the name of the shop, but not an item. Now, which item did you buy in item number 2?
It is EF100.
100-400 right?
Yes.
Which item is that?
It is a lens.
It's a lens. Is it anywhere there that that item reflects a lens? In that document, do you see a word lens?
No.
No. Thank you. And it was on cash on delivery, is that right? The last statement
Yes.
for the last note on.
Yes.
It was cash on delivery.
Yes.
And that cash on delivery was 410 yen, is that right?
Yes.
Is there any evidence that you paid that money? Beyond this evil transaction?
I don't know if I still have the receipt. I'm
You
not
don't know
sure.
if you have the receipt. Am I right to say that you don't have the receipt yet?
I repeat, I am not sure
You're not sure.
if I have.
Thank you. Let's go to item number 3. Item number 3, that's on our page 3, also reflects a camera Canon. Is that right? Camera Canon EOS 5D Mark III. Is that right? You have seen it?
03. Yes, yes. 5D Max 3.
And the amount of money was 376,730 yen. Is that right?
Yes.
376,730. What I'm asking my brother is within the same document. The payment method.
Was it cash on delivery?
I don't remember.
Go to the last page. Go to the last page of that same document. Sorry. The last line. Where there is the total,
Yeah.
there is cash on delivery. Is that right?
I find cash on delivery fee, so I guess it was paid by cash on delivery, but I don't remember.
But you don't remember. Thank you. Am I therefore right to say
No,
Do you have any receipt acknowledging the same?
I don't remember.
Let's go to item number 4. Item number 4 also is a Canon. It's a camera. And it was also to be paid.
The question is the same for item 1 to 10.
Not really. The
I'm
different.
saying we're going with the same money.
Apart from a few which are coming.
Those that are the same, make them one question. Those that are different, otherwise we are going to spend more time on the same.
You know, there's some where to pay or some of those paid, not him. That's not why I was flowing package.
Because where I'm seeing some like from 1, these other ones are the same.
Most of that with the ladies. Let's go to item. We are now on item number 4, together with item number 5. Which item number 5 is also a Canon mirrorless camera, costing 83,575 yen. Also item number 9, which is the hard disk.
Are you following?
Yes,
All these 3 items were purchased on cash or by cash on delivery. Do you confirm the same?
Look at 4, 5, and 9. Those are the ones where it's asking about that fashion delivery.
for number 9, I see the word cash on delivery, so I guess it was paid by cash on delivery. But
Number 5, number 4.
number 4,
4, 5.
and number 4 also has the same word, cash on delivery fee.
4 to 5.
Yes, this one written payment method, cash on delivery, so I think I paid by cash on delivery.
Am I there right to say, or do you have receipts
I don't remember if I have or not.
and you don't have the same receipts in court, right?
No, I don't have.
Thank you. Then let's go to item number 6, 7, and 8. Are you at number 6?
Yes,
Item number 6. There is a name of a person called Naomi Masuyama. Naomi Masuyama. Are you Naomi?
no,
You're not Naomi. Sorry? It is 6, 7, and 8.
They have the same name?
The same name. The same person who purchased. Name is Masuyama. Am I therefore right to say that you're not the one who purchased those properties?
I bought it for myself. I bought it by myself and I bought it for myself.
You bought it? Come again?
I bought it by myself and I bought it for myself.
You just repeat that.
He bought for himself and by himself. That's what I
You
have.
bought for yourself and by yourself. Perfect. That means Naomi never bought anything.
She received the item on behalf of me.
She received the item on your behalf. Thank you. Is it anywhere here shown that she received the item on your behalf? Sorry?
This is not delivery note, so it's not written.
Sorry? Is it written anywhere here that Naomi received these properties on your behalf?
No.
Thank you.
But the delivery address,
And for paragraph number, for item number 6.
excuse me, let me correct my answer. Now here it is written address, and address shows Naomi Matsuyama, so this shows that
Don't
she
worry, I'm not asking
received.
about the address. Don't worry. Don't worry. For item number 6, Naomi paid using her Visa card or credit card. Just want you to confirm the same.
Yes,
Is that right?
yes.
Thank you. Let's go to the last item, which is item number 10. Upon perusal of this item number 10, it is showing that's just a bill.
Just number 10, yes.
My question in regards to item number 10 is, you're there?
Yes.
At the bottom here, it is showing that's just a bill. Did you ever receive this item?
Yes, I received it.
Did you ever receive that item?
Yes,
Have you ever paid for the same?
yes,
You have receipts in this honorable court.
yes.
You have the receipts for this item.
I don't remember.
You don't have it. Mr. Wada, the overall total of all those items per the documents the documents you have before you is 1,323,861.
Which
That's in
page?
the end, the
Which
total
page?
of all the items before
Items purchased.
purchased.
Is it written on this document?
No. It's a calculation. I added all the items,
Okay.
assuming you are the ones who bought them,
Yes.
right? And upon translating them into Ghana shillings, it is 34 million. My question therefore is that 34 million reflected in your statement at police?
As the properties you lost, the
As
value
the-
of the property you lost.
No, I did not understand your question well.
He's asking the receipt of purchase. The equivalent, the receipts you're holding, the equivalent of 34 million. So did you state to police that the properties you lost is 34 million shillings?
No. I made a list and I sent the total figure was 160 something. It wasn't.
It wasn't that, right? Thank you. You said that you know Naomi. Is that right?
Yes.
Did Naomi ever make a statement at police?
No.
No. the same document you have before court, on all the items, they show different address of delivery, from item number 1 to item number 10. A good example is item number 4. Item number 4, the place of delivery is Agawa Shigo.
Let's go to 4 and look at the place of delivery.
Number 4, the delivery address is not Tokyo.
Is what? It is room 403, Jimukimonda. Are you there? Have you seen it?
No. Number 4, it is written. It's not, I think, in a different page.
My apologies, I was on item number 3. Number 4 shows Sasumasenai City. Is that right?
Yes.
And that city is in Japan, right?
Yes.
And upon perusal of all these items, there is no item which was delivered in Uganda.
Yes.
Is that true?
Yes.
Do you have any document that shows that those items were delivered in Uganda?
I brought it by myself.
You brought them by yourself, and you didn't have any documentation.
I do not make documents when I carry my personal things.
Am I therefore right to say that you even never paid your taxes in regards to those properties?
I pay.
You never paid?
I pay.
Sorry?
I paid.
Do you have it in court?
No, I don't have here.
Upon perusal of your statement and the charge sheet, some of the items therein are not in this document. Is that true?
Yes.
That's true, right?
True.
And am I therefore right to say that you don't have proof of purchase of those items in Uganda?
Some of them I didn't keep the document, and I don't have the document.
You don't have them?
No.
You don't have proof of purchase?
Some of them.
Some of them. When your properties were stolen, did you ever write a complaint letter to, is this the one? What shows that that letter is yours?
Yes, I made this letter.
You made that letter?
Yes.
Okay. Just have it a little. Just open behind. There's a list of stolen items. Are all those lists of stolen items in the other document from Makere University?
No, not all of them.
Thank you. SGS sent a reply to your letter. Just peruse through this and confirm what they say. Is that a reply to your letter?
Yes, I think.
Is that the reply to your letter?
I don't remember, but it is. This shows it is authentic.
Am I right to say that you own that document, also you are aware of it?
I need to cross-check with the copy I have in my office.
That's your copy, which you got from police.
I repeat, this letter is attended to me.
Okay.
So I think I have the same copy, but I can say yes or no after cross-checking with the copy in my office.
Open behind. In that same letter, they wrote out several recommendations, but primarily the last recommendation. You were advised that you compile a list of receipts, you compile a list of stock, you send it to them so that their insurance company pays you. Have you ever done that?
We have a case.
Did you do that?
May I answer your question?
Just answer directly. Did you compile the list and you sent to the security company? Say that you did it.
Yes or no?
Yes.
You compiled the same
Yes.
and you sent it.
Yes.
Thank you. Is it before this number court?
I don't remember.
You don't remember. Thank you. One letter which was written by the complainant, dated 8th February 2019. Sorry?
To where?
To SGA Security Group. Yes, Security Group. And a letter from SGA Security Group received on 14.
Yes, let me have it marked first.
I've seen.
These additions.
We have to add more.
The plain statement, complainant statement was one. Yes, we have two. Additional statement was two.
That's right.
So this is going to be 3 and 4. Exhibit 3 and 4. The letter by him is exhibit 3. And the reply is 4.
Most of them. Robert?
There is a civil suit against SGA.
There's a civil suit against this one.
Which court?
It is High Court.
Civil division?
I don't remember. You have the document.
That's all. You are not the witness. If he doesn't remember, we put he doesn't remember.
My last question therefore, do you remember the civil suit number?
You can check if you have that from part.
Just the number.
It's written sequence number 1090 of 2020.
Of 2020.
10. Did you capture the error?
Let me confirm.
So that be 10 now.
It is 1090.
90. 90.
And it is at the High Court of Uganda and Kampala Commercial Division.
Of 2020.
Okay, the robbery was in 2019.
It crossed the year, but I did not spend full year.
Okay, it was about to cross the year.
It was some months and crossed the year.
Okay, fine. Did you inform court about that civil suit number? About the commercial court matter?
To this court.
Did you inform police?
Police?
Yes, about that case?
I don't remember, but I think.
You don't remember?
I don't remember.
And you also never included it in your additional statement?
I don't remember.
Thank you. No further question. It seems my client had some prayer to make with your guidance.
Suspect here, and that investigation was not done to me, so I cannot answer that question.
You cannot do what?
I cannot answer that question.
What I have is the police informed me that the suspect's fingerprints were found at my scene. Matched the fingerprints found at the scene. That's what I have.
And you told court about the